Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare biotin versus keratin for hair health. Biotin, a B vitamin, plays a vital role in your body's metabolic processes. It's essential for converting food into energy and supports the production of keratin, which is fundamental for strong hair, skin, and nails. Many individuals use biotin supplements to enhance hair growth and reduce breakage, aiming for thicker, healthier strands. Understanding its function is the first step. Now let's talk about keratin. This is a fibrous protein that forms the main structure of your hair, skin, and nails. It acts like a protective shield, giving your hair its strength, elasticity, and natural luster. When hair is damaged, its keratin structure can be compromised. Keratin treatments are popular for smoothing hair, reducing frizz, and restoring a healthier appearance by replenishing lost protein. So, what's the main difference? Biotin is a vitamin you ingest, working internally to support your body's natural keratin synthesis. Think of it as a building block supplier. Keratin, on the other hand, is the actual protein that makes up your hair. It can be applied externally through treatments to directly strengthen and smooth the hair shaft. One works from the inside out, the other works on the outside. Deciding between biotin and keratin depends on your hair goals. If you're looking to support overall hair health, growth, and strength from the inside, biotin supplements might be beneficial. For addressing external damage, frizz, and improving hair texture, keratin treatments offer a more direct solution. Many people find a combination of internal and external care works best. Also, check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.